Hello, we are Altech and we're here to introduce our product. The target was to address kids with cognitive development needs, maybe autism or any other forms of learning disabilities. Our product, as seen here, is supposed to integrate kids and engage them using both technologies and hands-on learning. Our device try to help children learn different shapes, numbers, patterns, textures, using these different blocks. Each student would be then prompted with a question. They would select a block that matches either with the letter that's questioned, the shape that's on there, or even the color, and then it triggers to tell them if they had gotten the answer correct. This is the same as maybe doing worksheets or an activity learning kind of style, but instead they now have an interactive play space that they could do independently. On the hardware end, we consist of multiple key parts such as push buttons, a RFID chip reader, and several just basic components like resistors and capacitors. The key one is the RFID chips. Each one of our cards or blocks has a nice card on the side that gives it its clear coded reading so that the machine, our Arduino, can register whether the right block has been placed. Our software focuses on many key components such as functionalities that register what color's been read, what button's been pressed, as well as deciphering the RFID chips. Each of these is then registered into the main code so that it doesn't have to be repeated, to test in a loop fashion to continually ask questions and check their answers.
So we're going to do a quick demo for our device. So as you can see on the LCD, it's telling you to pick a category. So we're going to do that by pressing one of the many buttons here. So I'm going to press the yellow button, which is the shapes button. So we press it, it says shapes, and tells us to find the rectangle. And now, so to test it to see if it's reading the correct shape, we're going to give it this shape, which is the circle. So there was a little buzzing noise that says that's basically the wrong noise, and it tells us to try again. So now I will find the rectangle, which is on here. And so put it there, and it beeps, and that was correct. So now, since it's a random number generator, it gives us the next question. It said to find the rectangle again, so I'll do that again. Alright, now it says to find the star. The star is right here. Alright, now find the circle, which was on the yellow block. And so that's the one round of questions. So we'll ask 4 questions, and then I'll ask them to pick another category so we can mix it up a little bit so they're not just doing shapes, they can do numbers, letters, emotions. So we'll go with numbers. So it says to find the number 2. And the number 2 is on this block here. 1. So just to try again, we're going to give it the wrong number. So this one has 4 and 0. So the way this works, so we'll try the wrong one. So it says try again. So we're looking for the 1. So it'll work by yellow, which has the 1 or the 7. So technically, if it's 1 or 7, it'll say it's correct. But if we try that, it says it's right. For 3, it's on the red block. And there it is. And then 1 again. And we get to pick another category.
So in conclusion, our product allows children to both the independent as well as an engaging experience to both learn and develop their cognitive skills in these areas. However, with every product there are drawbacks. Our particular system does not maintain that if the child is guessing, as with they would have the same challenges with coloring sheets, the child could continually guess to get the answer. But on good faith, we hope that they gain the knowledge they wish. Additionally, it does rely on this LCD screen and the child to be able to read. This could be integrated and changed with a higher depth screen that could then do color matching or other areas. Thank you for watching our presentation.
Thank you.